Welcome to this tutorial where we will learn how to install the SisCom alarm transmitter software step by step. The first thing we will do is download the installer from the official SisCom website or from the link provided by the distributor. Next, we will provide a valid email address that has not been previously registered with SisCom. Just below, we will enter a secure password. Next, we will indicate the name of the company and a password. It is important to remember this information. We will receive a confirmation email to validate the account. We will need to click on the link. Once the software has been installed, for the first connection, it is recommended to connect the USB cable directly between the transmitter and the PC. The cable is not included. We will select the COM port to connect directly to the device. On this status screen, it will show us the IMEI number of the new device, the status of the GPRS and ADSL connection, and communication with the Jade Bird control center. The color will indicate whether communication is working correctly. In the PROG tab, fill in the company and installation reference fields. In active parts, it is important to leave the COM activated and deactivate those that are not in use. We will select our time slot. With ADSL, we can leave it on DHCP by default or configure an IP. In GPRS, the usual operators and APNs are displayed. In the case of multi-operator, they can be added manually. In the Software Settings tab, we can configure the email server and set up telephone numbers to receive SMS messages. In the section Central Receiver, we will indicate the IP, port, and subscriber number provided by the Alarm Receiving Center. This will connect our transmitter to ARC. In the tab Jade Bird, from the APP column, we will select the user who will receive the notifications. If we select option 2, the user will receive the notifications on their mobile phone. If we select option 4, it will be the installer user. From the Search tab, we can view all the installations associated with our company name and access them remotely.